Today we're looking at two knives from a company that most people have not heard of. Talking about Fintiso, the Italian fine cutlery company. Well, I'm joking there. They're not Italian. And I don't know if they make fine cutlery. They've only been around since, I believe, 2022, so it's a fairly new company. So the two knives we're looking at is the Fintiso Odyssey, you see on the left, and the Fintiso Parrot that you see on the right. They have some similarities, and they have some differences. So similarities, they're both using the 14C28 blade steel. One has a button lock, that's the Parrot. One has a liner lock, which is the Odyssey. So the question is, does one stand out above the other? We'll talk about features, pricing, weight, how they feel in your pocket. Is this something you would actually carry every day? The Odyssey feels more substantial. The blade stretches out to 3.2. Sure, that's only 0.2 of an inch longer. It's significant. And the aluminum handle, it feels more premium. It feels great in the hand. It feels like a higher end knife for sure. So if I handed these to someone blindfolded, I think most people would pick the Odyssey. They would say, this feels like the better knife. The Parrot is smaller, it's lighter, it's more compact. It's got that 3-inch blade, G10 scales, and it's shaped like it's purpose-built for everyday carry. So let's get both knives on the scale and check weight. So let's confirm that we're accurate. A 100-gram weight comes in at 100 grams, so I feel confident that our weights will be accurate. And the first up is the Parrot, and it's coming in at 3.65 ounces. Double check, 3.65. Okay, I'm satisfied with that. So 3.65 on the Parrot, and the Odyssey, I'm expecting it to weigh a bit more, right? 4.53. So the Odyssey's coming in at 4.53, so about an ounce or so heavier. 3.65 on the Parrot, 4.52 on the Odyssey. So it's time to cut some paper. Let's see if these both come sharp out of the box. And first up is the Odyssey. And it is performing admirably. Okay. And I've used this before. It's not under heavy use by any stretch. The Parrot's brand new. But that Odyssey is certainly holding up, and it feels like it's brand new out of the box. So, and then the Parrot, let's see if this brand new blade is sharp from the factory, and here we go. Yeah. All right. I'm satisfied. I'd be surprised if either of those showed up dull or not sharp as heck. You know what I mean? So I think it's time to cut some irrigation pipe. So it's the standard stuff you get from Home Depot or Lowe's. And the Parrot, if we're doing actual work in an actual yard, let's see. Okay. Yeah. That's going to work. And unlikely to scratch it up. I mean, that aluminum on the Odyssey, you may want to be more careful with, but that G10 is going to probably absorb some falls better. And the Odyssey, slightly longer blade. That blade color is awesome. Anyways, let's see. Oh, right through. Boy, I'm going to say that Odyssey is just a smidge sharper. Let's double check here. Yeah, right through. I love that dark gray coating on that blade. Who would have thought dark gray would go with this dark green? But it does. It really works. So let's cut some rope. Parrot. Oh, right through. Let's double it up and make it a little harder on this Parrot. And yeah, right through. Okay. And the Odyssey, is that going to slice right through one rope? Yes, let's double it up and see if we have any issues. I'd be really surprised if we did. And right through. All right. So, two sharp knives from a factory in China. Ergonomics. Boy, this aluminum handle feels great. And it deploys great. I mean, that thumb stud, it commits. You're not you're not going to get any half opens. If you get it to start, it's going to finish, which you gotta love that. The detent is close to perfect. And the Parrot, let's see. Let's do the thumb stud as well on the opening. You know, we could flick with the button, but let's do the thumb stud, and nice. Feels good. Boy, these two knives are very nice. I mean, I can't say one is winning out over the other. The size, it just feels really good in the hand, just like the Odyssey. So the Odyssey again, the pocket clip, firm, somewhat deep, and the Parrot is actually a little deeper. It's yeah. So I think that's we're gonna look later, but that's gonna sit deeper in the pocket. So we'll see how these fit in jeans. That Odyssey has more knife above the top of the clip. Really not an issue, but that Parrot's going to sit deeper. So let's see how these fit in shorts. There's the Odyssey. Let's see how this goes in the back pocket of these cargo type shorts. And yeah, let's see. Yeah, it's not weighing me down. A little heavier than the Parrot, but front pocket. I'm not a front pocket guy, but if I were, yeah, it's not bottoming out on the shorts. And these shorts have this little tiny pocket up there. Oh, that actually works. Now, not every pair of shorts is going to have that little pocket up top, but these ones do. And yeah, that Odyssey is going to work in the summertime with shorts. And the Parrot, I'm expecting this to sit a bit deeper. So let's check the back pocket. Oh, yeah, it disappears pretty well. And giving up an ounce, it's an ounce lighter than that Odyssey. Very comfortable, and I'm not expecting any issues with this front pocket. So there we go. Yeah, also doesn't bottom out. Why would it? The Odyssey didn't, and this is a shorter knife. And that little, on jeans it's called a watch pocket, but whatever this little pocket is on the shorts, yeah. I mean, if we're talking concealment, that is definitely going to work. All right. Jeans, these are Levi's 511s, and the Odyssey also, yeah, it's going to work for sure. And front pocket, yeah, it is ready. Now that little watch pocket that I don't use, I think some people do, I think we're going to have an issue. Yeah, it's touching my belt. You know, I bet that Parrot's going to touch my belt too, even though it sits deeper, but we'll see here in just a minute. So thumbs down on the watch pocket hold for the Odyssey. Now, the jeans Levi's with the Parrot sits nice and deep. That is just about perfect for me. Yes. All right, let's see. Let's see what it does in the front pocket, and then we'll try that little watch pocket. So front pocket, it doesn't bottom out nice and deep. That's pretty close to perfect. And I'm curious, watch pocket, is it going to touch the belt? And it does. Yeah. Boy, it has to sit really, really deep for it not to get caught up on the belt. So, yeah, thumbs down again. But who designs knives and pocket clips for a watch pocket on jeans? I don't think anybody does, really. So, not a huge deal. So, what do you think? G10 on the Parrot, the brushed aluminum, or the aluminum on the Odyssey. Both 14C blades. Price, they're about the same. I think they're both half price right now on Fintiso.com. They're both about $80, but now they're about 40 or so. So check the description for some information on these two knives, and thanks for watching.